So mwasuze mutya banyabo ne basebo. Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing okay. So in this video I'm going to talk about membership. Of course, membership kiringa kibinja kyabo abagala okusoma okusinzira ku levels zaabwe zobaliko, of course English and Luganda. But for convenience we do group this into English classes and Luganda classes. So membership kiringanga ekibiina ky'abayizi kyembeera nakyo privately. Okay? Privately kingamba nti bano basomesa in a special way. So membership classes, I advise you to join membership classes. The fee is just fair. The fee is just fair in everyone's pocket. So for membership classes, beginner level or basic level, it is 10,000 shillings. 10,000 shillings per month. 10,000 shillings per month. So ku beginner level oba eddala eritandikibwako mutwalo gumu omwezi. They are online classes. Yes, they are online classes. Mutwalo gumu omwezi. What do you have to have? You have to have internet. Onokubanga ina internet. Onokubanga you have a safe time gye baba akoloketinze oba gye tuba tugenda okuwa osobole okubanga linking in such that tuba tusoma fena. So for intermediate oba eddala eriddako eryokubiri, it is 40,000 shillings. Eddala erisembayo eri advanced is 100,000 shillings. That is per month. It is paid per month. Zino sente zisasulwa buli mwezi. So membership, I advise you okujoining a membership classes kubanga ziyambira ddala kubanga you get in touch with me netubanga I see your questions bansobola okuguidinga here and there such that you develop in the language. Osobole okuba nga weyongera okumanya olulimi. Here at Beni we learn English and Luganda with ease. Yeah, tugeza okusimplifying ebintu such that olutegeera bulungi, so that you understand the language very well. Okay, some of the questions you've been asking me. So in this video I think I'm going to answer a few questions. Number one, there is someone who asked that how can I develop my Luganda language? How can I develop my Luganda language? I will start with that question. Yes, one thing I can advise you, Joel, is that you have to be consistent in watching my videos. Start from the first video. Go back to playlist 1. Start from that video. Take your time. Get a book and a pen. You write down what you learn every day. So consistency is key. And I made a video on how you can improve your language. You can review this video. So consistency is key. Okulemerako oba okulemezaamu kintu kyamaanyi nnyo mu kuyiga olulimi lwonna, especially Luganda. Oluganda lulimi si luzibu nnyo kusinziira ku nnimi endala. So olina okulemerako consistency, ng'olemerako n'okulusoma n'okulwagala. Yes, another key factor is love or passion. Some people call it passion or love. So okwagala ekintu kyagale okisembeze. So once you love something, it becomes part of you. Kifuuka kitundu kugwe. So ekintu oba okyagala, you always create time for it. Ojja kufuna obudde bwakyo. So note 2 is you should love your language. Onokwagala olulimi. Okay. Another thing what you can do is you should try to watch movies, watch videos about that language you want to learn. Oina okulaba video oba nolaba ku filimu ezero olulimi lw'oyagala okuyiga. Kijja kuyamba nnyo okudevelopinga that language. Okay, let's go to question 2. Someone asked me about sentence construction. So sentence construction, I made a video on how you can construct sentences mainly in English and Luganda. So I made a video on that. So please, sentence construction, review that video again and again. Don't panic. You can view it 5 times or many times as you want. So to papa chwe obudde ogene ngo developinga mpola it comes with practice. You know, Some people say practice makes perfect, and that is obviously true. Gyokoma ogenda maaso ngo practicinga ekintu, gyokoma ogenda maaso n'okukitegeera nakyo okufuuka mukwano gwo. Another person asked me, someone asked me, how do we call a wall in Luganda? Like a wall in Luganda. So this wall in Luganda tukiyita ekisenge. Ekisenge. It's like ekisenge. Ekisenge. Yeah, you don't confuse it with, we have ekisenge as in a room where people can sleep, ekisenge, and this is also ekisenge. Ekisenge. Nti nekonya ekisenge. Wall. It can be referred to as ekisenge. Okay, so another person asked that, how do we call a chameleon? Yes, chameleon in Luganda. So chameleon is nawolovu. Nawolovu. Yes. Chameleon is called nawolovu. Yes. So someone also asked padlock. Yeah, padlock. So padlock is kufulu. Kufulu. Padlock is kufulu. Okay. So I look forward to seeing you in membership classes. Bye bye. Have a good day. God bless you.